Hi, you're with Chandeep at Goodly once again, and I'm back with an interesting Power Query challenge. No further ado, let's begin. Alright, before I proceed to ask you the question, a big shout out to Jacqueline who asked me this question. Jacqueline is a reader, a long-time reader of the blog, and she asked me this interesting question just a few days ago, and this was interesting enough to form a Power Query challenge, and we are here all to solve this particular challenge. All the answers are going to be dedicated to Jacqueline. Thank you so much. Let's just go take a look at what the question is really. So very simple data. We have the category column right here and we have the value column right here. And what you have to do is to refer to the previous row and fetch the value in the current row. Really simple. But there's a slight catch. You have to do it not for the entire data, but go category by category. Let me help you understand. So we start with category A and the first value is 125 because there is no previous value. This actually remains blank. In the next row, you have 106, so the previous value is 125 and 125 should actually appear in this particular cell. In the next row, 106 should appear, 180 should appear, so on and so forth, and that is how the previous row should be referred to. Now, once you actually move on to the second category, which is category number B, the process should start again because for B category, there is no previous B category. So the first value is obviously going to be blank because there is no previous value. And for the second value, 120 should actually become the previous value. Move on, and it should again start with C. So you have to refer to the previous value, but for every single subcategory of the data that we have. I've also drawn a little picture on the right hand side here. I can just bring that picture right in, and if that picture actually helps you understand what do you have to do better, you can actually take a look at the sample output and solve this particular question. So simple question, simple data, refer to the previous row for every single subcategory of the data that we have. All right, that was all about the Power Query challenge. You can certainly download the data to start solving this particular question right underneath the video. And if you're new and you don't know the technique to refer to the previous row in the first place, I will refer you to an article and a previous video that I have done, which teaches you the concept of referring to the previous row. You just have to modify that concept and start to refer to the previous row for subcategories of the data, and that's where the actual trick lies. All right, one quick rule, you have to solve this particular problem using Power Query. Load the data up. You can actually download the data underneath the video and you can start to solve this problem using Power Query. Once you're done, take your M code, paste that in the comment section of my blog, and along with you will also paste a little snapshot of how your answer looks like. That will be actually interesting to take a look at. I'm going to be discussing my answer along with a few interesting entries in the next video that I publish. And of course, just the way that I always do it, a big shout out to everybody who posts the right answer. All right, before we finally close on this particular video, a final shout out about my upcoming Power BI live training program that I'm doing. This is actually starting tomorrow, so just a day left, like today's day left for the registration. In case you haven't registered for the program, please do take a look at the link in the description below and do register for that program. This is a live one-to-one training. You'll be sitting along with me over a live Teams call, and we'll be actually discussing the hard parts of Power BI, which is where I'll be talking about a lot of Power Query stuff, data modeling stuff, and DAX stuff. If you've loved the videos and the way that I explain, you're absolutely going to love the training that I have put together for you guys. In case you haven't signed up, sign up, and I will actually see you sometime soon. Thanks for watching this, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.